Georgia Electric Milk Frother Set 3-in-1, handheld battery-operated electric foam maker, mini blender with 2 whisks and a brush, milk foamer, stainless steel mixer for coffee, Frappe, Cappuccino. Quick creaming, multiple functions. This portable milk frother doesn't take more than 15 seconds to make foamed milk and create froth. With double spring head whisk you'll get up to 30% more milk foam for your drinks. Georgia Foam Maker is good for all types of coffee and hot beverages, latte, matcha, cappuccino, hot chocolate, eggnog. The Frappe mixer works fine with cold drinks too. Perfect milk frother for traveling and home, 3 AAA batteries included, power this milk frother. The storage tube is designed to keep the whisks clean and prevent damaging dust. You can keep it in your suitcase or handbag without worrying about any additional spaces. Use the cleaning brush attachment to clean your cup after a perfect drink. Ergonomic design, premium food-grade materials. In comparison to other milk frothers available online, our electric stirrer handheld is equipped with high-quality food-grade materials and powerful motor. Soft touch cover makes this milk frother handle a delightful experience. The environmental ABS plastic extends its lifetime by manifold. Low noise and durability makes it even more special. This mini blender and foamer will never break or rust. Easy to clean and to use, the one-press button makes this milk frother electric so easy to use. Just immerse the whisk into a cup and froth with this electric milk frother handheld for a few seconds. To clean it well, you just need to put the whisk into dishwasher or rinse it in clean or soapy water. Complete satisfaction guarantee. If you're a foam milk lover, this electric stirrer is for you. A 30-day full refund and 12-month-long guarantee are there to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.